I'm Chris Catlin, Executive Director of Cambodia Action. In November 2025, I took 8 individuals with me to discover Cambodia. We ministered to children, young adults, as well as high school students, including adults in churches, classrooms, and rehabilitation centers. We traveled to 5 different provinces, sharing the good news of Jesus Christ with those living among slums, graveyards, those working on city dumps, those who are considered marginalised. We visited and served along 5 of Cambodia Action's partners, distributing food packs, toys, baby products, as well as school supplies. Also, we had an opportunity to visit museums, cultural centers, and historical sites, and had different rest periods in between. This was a great opportunity for those who joined us to discover more of the Lord, discover their call to missions, and discover this wonderful nation that is open and needy of the gospel of Jesus Christ. From speaking with our partners, it's decided that we would repeat this again this year, hosting 2 separate teams of up to 10 different people. These 14-day trips that also include international flight will commence in November 2026. So, if you'd like to join us to discover Cambodia this year, I wouldn't hesitate to get in touch with us, as spaces are limited. The details will follow in the screen below. God bless you as we discover Cambodia together.